Hi everyone, welcome back to Udu's Organic DIY. In today's video, I will show you how to make carrot powder at home. It is a fantastic natural ingredient for smoothies, baking, skincare, soap making and more. Let's get started. Start by selecting fresh, firm and brightly colored carrots. The fresher the carrot, the better the quality of your powder will be. Wash the carrot thoroughly to remove any dirt. If you prefer, you can peel them for a smoother texture, but keeping the peels add more nutrients. Slice the carrots as thinly as possible to help them dry faster and evenly. Uniform slices are key to a good powder. There are two ways to dry your carrot slices. Number 1, sun drying. Place the slices on a clean tray and dry them in a sunny, well-ventilated area. Cover with a thin cloth to protect them from dust. This takes 2 to 3 days. Secondly, using a dehydrator or oven. Set your dehydrator or oven to the lowest temperature and dry the slices for 6 to 8 hours until they are completely crispy. Once the slices are fully dried and brittle, grind them into a fine powder using a blender, grinder or food processor. If your powder isn't fine enough, you can sieve it using a fine mesh sieve and regrind any large pieces. Store the carrot powder in an airtight container, preferably a glass jar, but I choose to pack mine in nylon, seal them with a sealing machine and keep it in a cool, dry place. Properly stored, it can last up to a year. Carrot powder is incredibly versatile. Here are how you can use it. Add it to smoothies and soup for a nutrient boost. Mix it into a baking recipe like cake and muffins for natural flavor and color. Use it as a DIY skin ingredient in face mask and scrub. And that is it. Making carrot powder at home is so simple and rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Udu's Organic DIY. Let me know in the comment section how you plan to use your carrot powder. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.